So this is my introduction into using Python and YOLO for object detection. So YOLO is a object detection library and Python is a programming language. So let's get started. First thing I will do is import the necessary libraries. So tutorial is pretty simple. So we'll import YOLO from Ultra Analytics, and we'll import CV2. So Ultra Analytics is a company that develops YOLO, and CV2 is an open source video capturing library. So after importing it, the next thing that you want to do is you want to load the YOLO model. So we are using version 11 and so after loading the model, you want to read the file. So to read the file with OpenCV, we use the CV video capture. Ensure that the directory is where your file is. So we capture it. We'll also declare some variables to store our detection and our frame count too as well, because we want to know what frame we're at to pass the frame to the file. Alright, so next thing is to open the file, which we're already getting auto suggestions from. So we will. Alright, so what this line does is that it opens the file and it reads the frame, reads the frame, and also check if we're at the end of the file. So if we're at the end of the file, or there's no frame, or maybe the file is corrupt, we'll get this line that says end of file or cannot read frame. After that, we want to keep account of our frame. So since we captured our frame, we're going to pass the frame on to our YOLO model with this line. So as we capture the frame here, we pass it on to the YOLO model, which will give us a result, and we'll do result 0 to get the values, to get what it thinks they are. So after that, we can loop through it. So after we get the results up here, we loop through it. We get the confidence score. We get what class it thinks it is. We also get the class name, and we store these into a detection result. Afterwards, we want to annotate it on the video. So we get this frame, and then we can use CV2 to show the frame itself. That if you need to. In general, you might not want to show the frame the same. You might want to process everything and give back a result. Afterwards, we'll put here to end. So if the video is running, we can just enter the queue to get to finish. Yeah, that should be our code. Now let's run it and hope there's no error.